So I'm here with Lieutenant Pauling from the Rahway, New Jersey Police, and just are in the middle, really, of the Iron-Sharpened Leadership and Resiliency training. I just want to get, any of your takeaways or what you think of the training. Would you recommend it to other leaders from any organization?
So for one, I absolutely would recommend it. Learning a lot. There's a lot of things that we can work on as leaders. For me, for example, I have an array of leaders from 2 years on the job to 25 years on the job. Something I could definitely provide to both, the 25-year officer versus the two-year officer. We can always, like you always say, iron sharpens iron. We can always help each other out, right? Like there's always something we can learn. So definitely, there's a lot of takeaways. Absolutely, I truly appreciate it.
How about one other big takeaway for you?
Oh man, I talked about it in class. Control the controllables.
Yeah.
You talked about it. There's still a lot of things that we can control.
Yeah.
There's a lot of things that we can't control.
Yeah.
We can control, how we present to our guys. However, we can't control the 911 call, right? We can't control some of the people that we deal with. Control the controllables.
All right. Hey, I appreciate your leadership. Thanks for everything you do for our community.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.